Good morning, Miss Cummings. Ma'am, you
Morning.
are charged with possession of marijuana. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am.
Also observed a hand-to-hand transaction at Tiny's gas station in Harris County, Texas. The male immediately began walking away as he saw the marked patrol vehicle enter the parking lot. The male was detained without incident and was learned to be a juvenile. The female was also detained and she turned around to face officers who observed a bag containing green leafy substance inside of her purse, which was worn on her body. Defendant admitted she was selling the marijuana and sold it to the juvenile, which was detained. The defendant explained she also used the marijuana that was found in her person for personal use.
She's already caught red-handed, but what makes this sting deeper is that she admits selling to a juvenile, a move that not only puts her freedom at risk, but draws society's harshest judgment.
Yeah, I understand.
Does she smell like weed now?
No, the thing is, the man downstairs had my purse I don't smell like weed. I have not been smoking. My purse smells like that. It's sustained. If I get it washed, it will be out. He just smelled it down there. So of course it's gonna smell like it because what happened downstairs. So I'm not smoking. I'm not high right now. I'm just tired and sleepy. So
Don't smoke any weed while you're on bond in this court. I'm gonna test you. If I find that you're smoking, you will go to jail.
okay.
You understand?
Smells can linger, but so do bad decisions. Her excuse, blaming the purse's smell on someone else, comes off weak and only worsens her credibility in front of the court.
What I do for a living,
How do you get money? How do you eat? How do you survive?
my people take care of me, and right now I'm in the process of looking for a job. I have a lot going on. I just lost my son. He was 2 months, had pneumonia. So I had a lot going on. And if you don't believe me, I have a month, what's the thing called? Over the paper for the funeral. I have all of that. I have proof. I have a lot going on in life. So before judging, like, you should see a person background as well. So yeah. But I'm in the process of trying to get myself together. That's what I'm doing.
Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, man?
I will.
And just like that, the room changes. A grieving mother, still mourning her child, reveals pain no jail cell could match. But the lull rarely pauses for grief.
You have been disrespectful since you walked
I'm
in
not
here.
trying to be, you're being rude
Do
to me.
not talk over me. You've been disrespectful since you got here. I'm not going to put up with it. This is not Burger King where you get your way. If you don't do things the right way, then we'll just reset you and you can take it home and do it. But I don't want attitude here. Do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you. You can give her the application again. We'll see what she does. If you just give me it with blanks on everything, I'm not gonna grant it.
What are you expecting me to put if I had told you that I don't
What your
have
offenses are, you didn't put anything where you
I don't
live.
have a car. I stay in a room. What is that giving you a place to live? I stay in a room. That's why I didn't put nothing.
You have a place.
Respect is currency in the courtroom, and Miss Cummings just went bankrupt. The judge doesn't tolerate attitude, and now her plea for help is being overshadowed by her defiance.
Talking to you, don't be disrespectful to the judge. I'm just, for your own sake, he can throw you in jail for being disrespectful. Don't do that.
Miss Cummings, I don't want to have to hold you in contempt, but this is going sideways really fast. And I'm not going to let you put up and try to take control here. I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more. If you don't want to fill it out, we'll let you go with it and you can come back with it another day. And that's it.
Can I do that?
Sure. Let it go.
But she has conditions, doesn't she? Still
Oh,
sign?
yeah, I need to sign. Let me see if I think I have them right here. We'll see. And then, but the problem is it takes time to get evidence, right? So you.
She says she has nothing, no car, no home, no income. It's not just a legal fight, it's survival. And the courtroom is seeing not just an offender, but a collapsing life.
Being that all we would have to do is look at the body cam, my rights were completely violated. There was no probable cause for pulling me over. And that's about it, sir. That's my only case.
What I can do is I can reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer if you'd like.
Defender will work fine.
Do you work?
No, sir, I'm on Social Security.
Are you on disability or
That's correct.
What's the nature of your disability?
Paranoid, no, excuse me, chronic schizophrenia.
Okay, you're taking medication.
That's correct.
Wonderful, good. Just keep taking it. Good things will happen for you. Let me see if I have an application.
Hasn't yet with this situation.
No, there's always two sides to the story.
Oh, you know what? That's why I always go body cam, so we all have the same story. If I was to say like, sorry, you didn't read me my rights, that's just petty. I'm like, sorry, you violated my complete rights as a.
When the next defendant calmly presents his rights, the entire tone of the courtroom resets. It's a quiet reminder. Delivery matters, even when truth is on your side.
You know, he has an open felony case as well, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So I'd like to state I have no misdemeanors, no felonies at all, just to let you know this is completely out of hand.
Well,
Out of me.
my only concern is that, you know, come up one more time. Just, you know, Mr. Briscoe, my only other concern is that you're on bond for a felony case, right?
That was a situation with my son's school, yes, sir.
You don't have to explain. I'm just saying the only thing I'm trying to impart to you is that when you're on bond for a felony case, you pick up a new case, it's very possible that they revoke that bond and issue a felony warrant for you.
I was going to state that that court date has been pushed back 3 times, sir, for I don't know what reason. They told me.
Schizophrenia, no job, on bond, and facing another charge. This isn't just a legal process. It's a battle between illness and accountability in a system that doesn't always make space for both.
Right. My attorney already stated that they have no evidence against me in that case. And right now, they're at their limit of pushback dates. So you see how it's pushed back, then all of a sudden my rights are harassed and I'm pulled over. It's kind of a coincidence.
You know, the only thing only other thing I'm going to tell you is that it takes time to get evidence. It's not immediate. It takes darn near 90 days just to get a 911.
Oh, just as the lawyer as the cop has to show up, we will all sit here and that'll be fine for me.
Listen, it takes time to get evidence. That's why they've been pushing your case away upstairs in the felony
first
court.
case, yes, sir. Yeah, that case, they already told my lawyer they have no evidence. They have nothing at all. And the charge that I'm being charged with is fleeing. But I pulled over, and like he said, I take my keys, drop them out the window.
Listen for a second. It takes time to get evidence. The only other...
He's not just frustrated, he's suspicious of the system, of the delays, of justice itself. And whether he's right or wrong, the truth is, faith in the courts is cracking.
The problem is that you've picked up a new case now. It's possible that they revoke your bond upstairs. I'm going to give you a lawyer now. As soon as you leave here today, I would probably get in contact with Mr. Johnson, your lawyer upstairs, let him know what's happened here. That way you guys can be prepared.
Yes, sir. And I just want to know the charges hasn't been, I guess, stuck on me for lack of better term. So I will be taking it to trial and everything will be just fine, sir. Because I have to make the cop have to stand on his rights of violating my rights. And we will just go from there, sir. Now, if you would have read the statement correctly, I would have said that's exactly what happened. God ripped my car apart. I told him the marijuana was under the seat, ripped my car apart, sir, like it was trash.
You have the right to remain silent. Exercise that right. The only other thing I want to tell you is do not pick up any new cases while you're on bond in this court. Otherwise, I will revoke this bond.
Oh, sir. Hopefully I won't get harassed anymore.
All right, please.
Final warning. No courtroom sympathy. No second chances. Whether guilty or not, one more misstep and it's over. For both Miss Cummings and the man beside her.